So ni ato kong Pampanga bay para tilawan ako ang pinakalaming sisig sa tibuok kalibutan. Kana ba kanang presko kayong sisig lami kid kayo og diri gina sa Pampanga ang original. So mao ni atong susihon unsaon paghimo sa pinaka the best ug ang original na sisig na Kapampangan. Nata diri sa Aling Lusing sa Angeles ug diri atong tan-awon unsaon pagluto ug atong kanon nilang pinakalaming sisig.
Hello! Magandang hapon, Cebu! Nahanyaya ako kayo dito sa Pampanga, sa Angeles City, ang original sisig ni Aling Lusing!
Atong tan-awon bay unsaon paghimo sa nilang award-winning sisig. Mo ni gipa bukalan gyud nilang karne bay presko yung sisig lang paghimo ba dili ka nang hinimo na daan na premix ba. So ilang gipabukalan paghuman ana ila nang isugba. So you get that crispy na exterior, crispy skin, crispy fat kanang may pagkaluto dayon. Paghuman butangan ko nila sa mga sago like kaning ilang sibuyas.
So walang itlog yung sisig?
Wala po.
Walang ibo, ano yan? Alam?
Ebon.
Ibon yung sisig. Yan. So ito na yung naluto na. Pwede na to chapin, no?
Opo. Yan ang gagawin.
Tapos may halo nating atay. At, yan. So yun yung talagang classic na sisig. Na original ni Aling Lusing. Ano to pare?
Sisig na po yun yung ready. Naka-ready.
Ready na.
Opo.
Tapos gagawing sisling.
Opo.
Templado na to at may onion na. Tatlo yung sisig namin. Okay na ate. Huwag mo mag-alala. That's the real sisig. Aling Lusing sisig, bro. There you go. And that's our lunch for today, right? Love it. So finally, we're here in ating Lusing in Pampanga and by mo niya itong tilawan by ang ilang ipanghambok the original sisig by sisig na Kapampangan. Ako ni bay. Okay. Papanood ko na ba? So kang Aling Lusing bay started in 1974 na reinvent niya ang sisig. Diba? Ini abe kuan kay ba fatty and you have different textures, the dungga, the ears, the cheeks, the fat, the onions, and of course there's no egg here, no mayonnaise, it's brains and chicken liver. That makes it creamy. Come on na. Perfect pulutan, but also perfect na ulam. Kita pa Pinoy ulam natin to. Pulutan sana, but matindi rin to as ulam. And finally, na-taste na tong original. This is the original. Aling Lusing invented sisig. I mean, the sisig that we know of in 1974. Grabe. So, wala ni mga third generation na ni sa mga Aling Lusing nagdagan ano eh. While his story is tragic, pero another elder dish is pako. Grabe. I saw the process. nakanindot there is they really cook it from scratch. So I see how they boil their meat. And then afterwards, they grill it a little bit too crisp. And then they chop it, season it. So mga original good. Nothing pre-packed. Although they sell mga pre-packed sisig by the way. But it's, cooked fresh. Not frozen. May nakalistiya. And of course, when it comes to flavors and seasoning, nothing weird, of course. Kung ang calamansi, sisig means you eat something sour. So, the souring agent is calamansi by lang gamiton, onion, simple ingredients by that you can find in 1974 and you can still find it in 2024. Wow. That's 50 years ago. So hooray, let's celebrate the birth of sisig by Mana, have you tried the sisig of Haling-Lusig? Kung magpampanga mo, it's perfect. Nanay flights from Cebu to Clark, Angeles na gina. Oh, doon na ang aling Lusig sisig. Support local, eat local, and of course, always when you eat at local eateries by mga original Filipino food, mga OG. They were here for 50 years. So, I'm sure they're good, but they last this long. Ang dami ba? Enjoy ko sa sisig. Dilaw eh.